Today we're doing an egg experiment.
It is an egg experiment.
Yes, it is. We're going to use some of them for some egg salad we're going to make, and I might try deviled egg. I don't know, I might try pickling them, but I definitely want to see how these things turn out. Instead of trying to boil and peel your eggs, they're just going to be in here. They should just pop right out. That's the theory.
All right, let's check it out.
Okay. Hey everybody, welcome back to Coop to Grill. We're going to do some kind of quiche kind of deal. It's an egg bake. We're doing it on the smoker because, you know, that's how we do things here at Coop to Grill. We've got this Muffin Tin. This one does 24. You can use a smaller one if you'd like. We are going to fill all of these. We're going to do 8 of them with an egg bake, and we're going to do 16 of them with just a cracked egg. So it's going to be basically a hard-boiled egg, but it's not going to be boiled. It's going to be a hard smoked egg. So the first ingredient for our egg bake is eggs. Eggs! So it is basically 1 ounce of cream cheese per egg. So we're going to do, since we got an 8-ounce block, we softened that, and we're going to do 8 eggs into the bowl, and we're going to season it today with our Haas's mix. It's our homemade deal. We're going to also add a little bit of our shredded Colby cheddar cheese mixture into that when we're blending it. All right, we got our 8 eggs, so we've got our softened cream cheese. I'd say about a half a tablespoon or so of that. Grab the blender and blend it till it's smooth. All right, look at that. That looks really good, I think. So you need to grease your pan. We're going to use our handy dandy. What is this called?
Oil sprayer.
Our sprayer. There we go. All right, now we're going to take and put this into 8 of them as evenly as we can.
Yeah, it says fill it about half full, so we'll see how that works out.
We're going to go about 3/4 of the way full.
Okay.
These are keto friendly also. So we've got, what, 8, 10 and a trial. That is awesome. And you can add meat in here. You can add sausage. You can add bacon if you want. After a day or two, the bacon wouldn't be crispy anymore. But if you're all right with that, then yeah, bacon, veggies, whatever you want. And you don't want any hot dogs in yours.
No, thank you.
Okay. Okay, I'm going to do about like that. Tuck these down into there a little bit. Now we're going to crack some eggs and get the rest of these filled up. A little bit of shredded cheese. That's our experimental one. We've got the smoker fired up at 350 degrees, and these should go in for anywhere between 20 to 30 minutes. It's going to depend on your actual internal temperature, your ambient temperature, your smoker. But we're going to go for about 25 minutes, I think. We're going to check them after that. And just because it's 50 degrees and we have high winds, this is not considered cold smoking.
In they go.
We'll see you in 25 minutes. Look at that. This is going to be great. We're going to pull these out and see how they are. I think these are all done too. We're going to get a fork out though. So I think I could have probably pulled these off a little bit sooner, but 25 minutes, maybe it would have been 22 minutes. But here we go. Here's one of them. It's a little brown on the outside, but it's fully cooked, so we got that going for us. You can see the cheese is in there, but it did evaporate. Yeah, look at that. We're going to give it a whirl.
All right.
We're going to see how the egg bake went.
Yeah? Pretty good?
The flavor is great. The eggs are fluffy. This is wonderful.
Oh.
Yeah. Next time I will only go
the half
full, yeah. So this is the one that I seasoned. Well, I do believe that didn't work exactly like I thought it was gonna.
Well, it was an egg experiment.
It was an egg experiment. You know what, though? I will say this. This is going to make excellent egg salad.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, they should have a little bit. We're going to try one. Let's see how this goes.
Tastes like a hard-boiled egg?
It's a hard-boiled egg right there.
Perfect.
As far as hard-boiled eggs go, This is really going to make some really good egg salad. So that's what we're going to do with the rest of these. And Mr. Grill thinks that the mini quiche egg bake deal.
Oh, it's super delicious. I'll eat those all week.
It was really good, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
So thanks for cooking eggs today with us here at Coop de Grill on the Pitboss. Do not forget to like and subscribe and drop a comment. It helps grow our channel.
You moved. Oh, stop it. Hey.
Hey, nice meeting you out here.
Yeah, you come out here often?
I do, as a matter of fact, every chance I get.